I'm helping Dad. So sometimes I can put chili. This cookie is warm. You guys look mixing with chili.
Mixing it.
So I'm gonna put it like put it there.
There.
What do you put in there?
You tell me.
I think you put chili.
No, that's not chili. It's just spices.
Spices.
Yeah.
I can't get.
Not too hot. Just a mild one.
This is. I just covered it.
Quick. I'm gonna use hand shandy move.
Okay.
Enough with the spoon now.
Cutting with a knife. I don't shop again, but I can do making some mushrooms. Stop pushing me. Okay. Choosing the mushroom too. I got to chew. What are you cutting? I got some apples. That's not how you cut. Daddy! Yes? So we're going to do the last thing. To cook this! Oh my God. You make a hole. That's not how you cut it. Oh no, Dad, come back.
This one temperature is going up. That's when it's gonna hit 300. We will release the temperature. You wanna see how warm is it? Ooh. Oh, see that? Oh. Let me see if the side is. Mushrooms, they're tricky, man. Sometimes forgot. I put some sauces on it, some salt and a few spices on it. Just chuck it in the oven. Left it for a few hours, yeah. Say like a few minutes, yeah. 40 minutes, 30 minutes, yeah, that's enough for it. Take it off after 40 minutes, just put it on the table, it's ready to eat. Yeah, but you helped me. Shani, you good cook? You are a good cook as well. I'll give you 5 stars out of 5. Good job. Yes, sure. With this one?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want barbecue sauce as well? There you go, with the barbecue sauce. See how girls loving it? You need to be a good daddy. You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome too, Sarah.
Oh, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Mommy's alive.